Hey YouTubers, today we're going to be making some Haitian fried plantains. So what we need for this is some salt, vinegar, lemon, some sour orange. Don't judge us, but this is what we use to basically mash the plantains. It's broken. And then we have ourselves some green plantains. These aren't the sweet kinds. The sweet kinds are the yellow ones. So this is what we'll... So to start, you need to basically peel your plantains. And you do so by cutting it in this form and then opening it. And you just continue this process until everything is off. So the next step is to basically cut your plantains, and you're gonna do it in this fashion. And watch out for your fingers. So basically, he cut it in 5 sections and then place it in a pot filled with water. Okay, next we're gonna be cutting up our lime. Okay, next we add our lime to our water. Okay, next we're gonna be adding salt to the water. And as you can see, we leave the limes inside with the plantains in the water. And next we're adding our vinegar. Now we're adding our sour orange to the water. So to prevent your plantain from sticking, this is a trick that you can try, but you add some oil to your press and that will prevent the plantains from sticking while you're pressing them. Next, you add oil to your pan and it's on a high. So after the plantains have been soaking for about 5 minutes, you take your plantains and you add them to your pan. And you can just cover it up as well. So he's going to go ahead and grab a handful and add it to the pan. So over time, you just look at your plantains, make sure they're not sticking to the bottom or anything. Okay, so this should be the color of your plantains. So now you're just gonna remove them from the oil and you're gonna place it into a bowl. So now you take your plantain and you flatten it. And then we take another one and we flatten it, and you just continue this until all your plantains are flattened. And now the step is, this next step, what you do with this water that you have, you take the plantains and you add it in this water. This is a special trick for your plantains. You just dip it in there and then you add it to the water. Be careful not to get burned. So now this is a step. The next step is you take your plantains that you flatten, place it in the water, the lemon water, the mixture, and then you add it to your pan. But be careful, you won't get burned. Okay, and this is how your plantains should look after they've been fried for the second time. This is how you make Banann Peze.